in your face. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be demoing this product. I don't know if you can see it, but it's the yep, you got it. So I'm going to be demoing this product. This is not the real one. This is the fake one, or should I say rather the one I got from eBay. I don't have the real one, so I can't really like compare the quality, but I have my laptop right here, so I'm gonna look online and look at the swatches and the kind of demos and kind of compare it to this. I mean, I ain't got it like that. I'm sorry. I'm broke. I'm a student, so I don't have it like that. But anyway, I have this in case if you're on eBay or Amazon and you see this and you want to buy it because you're interested and you don't have coins to get the other one, this will be, you know, a great option. When we see how it's gonna turn out, I'm gonna swatch it and I'm also gonna demo it in my eyes so you kind of know what it will look like. But first, let's talk about the product. So this is how it looks like. It's really pretty. Well, it came kind of crumbled up, but the packaging looked exactly as the real one. What I'm looking at online right now, it looked exactly like the real one. So that's kudos to the seller. So I got this from eBay. You can get the original one from either Stila Cosmetic, Sephora, or Ultra Beauty, and I think for the single one is $24. I believe that's what they're selling it for. The package, I'm not sure how much the whole package is for, but I think they had a sale. The original price is $36 for one, but it's on sale right now on Sephora, Stila Cosmetic, and Ultra Beauty. I think 20% off, where you can buy it for $24. So, but I got this on eBay for $4.58, I believe. I'm gonna leave the link below where I got it from, so if you want to buy yours, you can go ahead and buy. I bought it on January 12th and it came February 1st, so it took like 2.5 weeks, which is not bad to me. It's not bad because it was free shipping, so that's good, and for $4.50 something, that's pretty good. The estimated date for it to come was March 13th, but I got it on February 1st, so that's pretty dope. When I was buying it, it had a really good review on the seller's thing, and the seller had good rating, so I thought that was a good way to go, because when I try to buy something on eBay, I try to look at the reviews and the rating to see, you know, if it's good or not. I'll give you a preview of how the real swatch look like, and then we're gonna compare it to my swatch and how it looks on me. So ahead and open this up. So when you open it, it comes out like that, and that's how it looks. It looks really pretty, like, but I feel like the colors look similar, so I'm not sure why, but they kind of look similar. But we're gonna try it. We're not gonna judge, we're gonna try it. So they have the names on the bottom of the container, which is awesome. This one is Kitten. Meow. That is so, yo, I am so whack. I'm so whack as hell. But please like, comment, and subscribe, you know, help your girl out. So I'm gonna be swatching this. So that is how Kitten looks like. It feels really smooth and soft. It looks like a rose gold. That's the vibe that I'm getting, like a rose gold, like pinkish, shimmerish kind of feeling or vibe. It looks really pretty. Like, I really like it. It's really pretty. So now that is Kitten, we are going to try Grace. Yo, swatches are really hard. Like, this shit is really hard. Like, oh my god. But the real original size is supposed to be 0.153 slash 4.5 milliliter, and these sizes are 0.7 flow ounces slash 2.25 milliliter. So it's definitely smaller, but you definitely have a lot inside. So we're gonna try Grace, and Grace look like it looks more of a darker pink, like shimmer. Yeah, it looks more of a darker pink shimmer slash glitter. It's shimmer, it ain't no damn glitter. Yeah, so that is Grace. It looks more of a dark pinkish shimmer. So now we are going to try Twig. Twig looks like something I would really like. Now, so far with the original, is a card? You gonna go? Okay. So far the colors seem to align with the original one. So this is Twig. On the website, I'm looking at Twig. It looks like a really dark brownish reddish color. I'm not sure, but let's try it. So we are trying Twig. Ooh, I like Twig. I love Twig. Oh my god, I love Twig. What? I love Twig. Yo, look at that. I love Twig. It's like a dark bronzy color. I love Twig. Like, I love Twig. I love Twig. I'm sorry. I love Twig. Let me smell it. It doesn't have any smell to it, which I guess is good, because, I don't know, it's good. But, oh my god, the colors are actually matching. Like, they are matching like the real kind. And, oh my god, I love Twig. I love Twig. And when you look at them, they kind of look similar on the bottle, but when you swatch them, they actually look different. So, I'm going to try Peachy Sheen. So I'm guessing this is more of a sheen glitter, but we're going to try it. Oh yeah, it's definitely more of the sheer side. So this is Peachy Sheen. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. You know, this is like one of those colors you just use for special occasion because you don't want to waste it. And since we're on a budget, I'm just going to leave this swatch like this because I don't want to waste it. Like, I would literally highlight with this. I would do everything with this. It's like a, oh my god, like, I don't know if you see, like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, look at that. Look, so that is Peachy Sheen. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at how gorgeous. And that is Twig. Oh my god, like, these colors are so bomb. Oh my god. Okay, calm down, calm down. I love this. Is not sheen, this is not sheer at all. I thought it would be sheer, but it's not. Like, it's really popping. Like, yes bitch, I'm in your face, come get it. You can get it, you can get it. It's like, I don't fight, and I don't think fighting is cool, but I'll fight for this. Nah. It's like, oh my, this is my favorite. This is my favorite. Like, it does not look how it appears on the bottle. Like, it actually looks better on the I was gonna actually swatch Twig on my eyes, but I'm thinking I'm gonna actually put this on my eyes. We have two more. So this one is Next to Not. Next to Not. We're gonna try this. It on the bottom it looks more of a pinkish shimmer. So, but I'm just gonna swatch it and we will see. It looks pretty. I love Twig and I love Peachy sheer. So now we're gonna swatch Next to Not. Oh, okay. Next to Not is really pretty. It's really nice. It's more of the colors is similar to Kitten. No, it's similar to Twig. It's like in between Twig and this one. It's like in between those two colors. It's more of a brighter. It's more of a deep, like a deep pink color, but it's really, really pretty. Like I really, really love this color. I love this color. I like this color, but my favorite is this. My favorite is the Peachy sheen. Like I love Peachy sheen. I can literally highlight with this. Okay, I need to stop talking about this color. Move on. But yeah, that is Next to Not. It's really pretty. I actually would use this. These two I would use a lot. Like I really actually like it. Now on to the last swatch, which is Smothering Satin. Smothering Satin. So we're gonna try this. This kind of reminds me of this color, but we'll see because the colors on the bottom looks deceiving. So let's see. I want a silver one. So yep, it reminds me of this one. No, it reminds me of this. It's the same thing as this. This one is just more sheer. So this is more sheer, and this is, you can actually see it. But this two kind of reminds me of the same, which I'm not hyped about. But overall, my favorite is this one. Like I really love, it's like a gold, like yellowish gold vibrant color. Like I love it. I wish I had the silver one that everybody's gasping about, but yeah. So these are the swatches, and my favorite is this one because it's just awesome. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I'm gonna leave the actual swatches of what they're supposed to look like, and then I'm gonna leave these swatches right here. Look at how beautiful they are. Like they are so gorgeous. Like I'm in love with this. Like I love this so much. But anyway guys, that is it for this video. I'm actually gonna put this on my eyes, and then I'm gonna come back in maybe 4-6 hours and let you know, kind of give you a look of, I'm actually gonna put right here how it actually looks, so you kind of see how it looks like in a couple hours, so you can judge on your own. But anyway guys, let me add this video, let me put this on my eyes and stop talking. This is my favorite, so I'm just gonna, oh my god, look at how pretty it is.